Today we're making quick and easy skinless pillow longanisa. So here is our ingredients for our Filipino longanisa. So the ratio I'm using is 90% meat and 10% fat. That's cholesterol. So I'm adding salt and pepper. And then I have mixed herb as well. So I'm adding mixed herb and also minced garlic. I'm just adding half of the minced garlic, and then I'm gonna adjust this as we go. And then I have sugar. As you can see, it's just a little bit of sugar because I don't want sugary. You can adjust the sugar, it's up to you. And then now I'm adding this marine seasoning. So a couple of drops, maybe half a teaspoon of that. And then after that, I'm gonna add rosemary. It's rosemary flavor. So you can put whatever herb you want. You can play around it. It's just easy, quick, simple longanisa. You can actually make adobo longanisa. So I've tried that before, so that one is really good. And then I'm adding some of this coloring. So just put maybe 3 drops and then mix it. So just mix the food coloring, and then we're gonna leave it for 10 minutes and then we'll come back. So after 10 minutes, we're ready to roll our Filipino skinless longanisa. So what I did is cook a little bit amount on it on the fan and then try taste it. And then if you want to add salt or pepper or more sugar, you can adjust it before you roll it. We're gonna put it on container, and then when you want to eat them, it's easy for you to take them out. So here it is, our skinless Filipino longanisa with egg sunny side up, tomatoes, and garlic rice. Thanks for watching.